Right students, let us continue the complex numbers. See, the conjugate of a complex number. Very important one. The conjugate of a complex number. Let z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to x plus iy. Conjugate of z. Conjugate of z, that equal to z bar, that equal to z bar, that equal to x plus iy whole bar, that equal to x minus iy. Just simply x plus iy whole bar is x minus iy. Just replacing I by minus I. For example, what is the conjugate of 2 plus 3i whole bar? 2 minus 3i. And what is the 2 minus 3i whole bar? Again that is 2 plus 3i. Suppose that is that only 2i is there. What is the conjugate of 2i? Minus 2i. What is the conjugate of 2? That equal to 2 only. Conjugate of 2 is 2 only. There is no imaginary part. That means iy plus iy. That plus I is replaced by minus I. That is the only difference. And one more thing, you observe this one. Suppose the point z. This is the point z equal to x plus iy. Then this point is x comma y. Whatever this point x comma minus y. Where the point lies x comma minus y? Origin. This is x and this one is the y. Then take this one. What is this point? X comma minus y. So this is a point. This point is z. Then this point is z bar. That means the conjugate of complex number is z bar is image of z with respect to x axis. And remember that z bar is image of z. Z bar is image of z with respect to x axis. Okay, so that is the way to find the conjugate of a complex numbers. Right now there are so many important properties for conjugate of a complex numbers. Let us see that one. Properties. First property, z bar whole bar. Z bar whole bar. Suppose take 2 plus 3 bar, 2 minus 3. Now again take the bar of this one. What is the 2 minus 3 whole bar? 2 plus 3, same thing. So z bar whole bar, that equal to z only. Z bar whole bar equal to z only. The second one, z into z bar. Z into z bar. What is the z into z bar? X plus iy into x minus iy. What is this equal to? X square plus y square. Remember that z bar equal to x square plus y square. And the third one, z equal to z bar. What will happen? Z equal to z bar. What will happen? X plus iy equal to x minus iy. X cancel. Take this side. 2iy equal to 0. What is that implies? Y equal to 0. So z equal to z bar, that is imaginary part of z equal to 0. So imaginary part of z equal to 0. What is that meaning? Imaginary part of z is 0 means z equal to z bar. That implies z is purely real. That implies z is purely real. So whenever z equal to z bar, then z is purely real. Right. Next one. Fourth point. Z plus z bar equal to 0. What is that meaning? Z equal to minus z bar. Z equal to minus z bar. What will happen? X plus iy plus x minus iy equal to 0. iy cancel. 2x equal to 0. What is that implies? x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means real part of z is 0. Real part of z is 0 means what? Real part of z equal to 0. That implies z is purely imaginary. Z is purely imaginary. Okay? See this one? Z equal to z bar. So z is purely real. And z plus z bar equal to 0. Then z is purely imaginary. Right. And one more thing. Next fifth point. Z1 plus Z2 whole bar. This we can write it as the Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Next one. Z1 Z2 whole bar equal to Z1 bar Z2 bar. Next one. Z1 by Z2 whole bar equal to Z1 bar by Z2 bar. Z1 by Z2 whole bar equal to Z1 bar by Z2 bar. Next one. What is the Z plus Z bar equal to? Z plus Z bar equal to x plus iy plus x minus iy cancel. That equal to what? 2x. So Z plus Z bar. And remember that Z plus Z bar is equal to 2 times real part of Z. Z plus Z bar equal to 2 times real part of Z. And one more thing. And ninth one, last one. What is the Z minus Z bar? Z minus Z bar, what is that equal to? X plus iy minus of x minus iy. What is that equal to? X plus iy minus x plus iy. X cancel. That equal to 2iy. 2iy. That equal to Z minus Z bar. So that is Z minus Z bar equal to 2i into imaginary part of Z. So these are the properties about complex number. Properties of conjugate of a complex numbers. Conjugate of a complex numbers.